Hello guys, so I'm back with another video with another product, and this time we will be reviewing and unboxing this power bank from me. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank from Redmi, which is basically a subsidiary of Me company. And as far as the specs are concerned, this power bank can be charged from USB-C and micro USB, and it has a micro USB cable included. And as far as the charging speed is concerned, it is a 10 watt charging, and it supplies 2.4 amperes of current. That is fast charging. And as far as the specs are concerned, these are the specs. So as you can see, this power bank supplies 10 watts of power to any device that supports fast charging. And as far as the genuinity of the product is concerned, I actually checked the genuinity, and this product is a genuine one. And let me unbox this product so that we can further review the product. So unboxing the product, you get these two things. One is this Redmi white colored Redmi power bank, which feels very sturdy and tough, has a very good build quality. Another, you get this micro USB wire, small one, so that you can charge this power bank. So coming on to the power bank, which is quite heavy, looks very tough. It has only one button, I think, which you can use to check the battery indication. So you can charge this device by using the two ports available. One is a micro USB port, another is my USB-C port, which you can use to charge this power bank up. And if you want to charge your devices from using this power bank, then you need to connect these two USB-A ports. You can use them, and it will provide 10 watts of power. And as far as the back side of the power bank is concerned, it is quite simple, very heavy, but looks a very genuine product. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.